Hello and welcome to Retro Bicycle. Apologies for the wind there, but we're on to a very special Aprilia RS125 1997 model. It's had a whole load of work done to it from front to rear, pretty much two brand new tyres, front and rear. It's got new front fork seals put onto it as well. It's had the power valve looked at, carburetor done, full engine rebuild. It's had a Gianelli full race exhaust put onto it as well. It's had a new chain and sprocket, a real good going over on a valet as well. So bike is pretty much as good as you're going to get for an RS125 with only 10,000 kilometers on it. So we'll start from the front tire. As you can see, pretty much brand new. Front mudguard is pretty much perfect. Plastics here with original lights as well. They're all really nice original mirrors as well, I should say, with slight little scraping on them, which is fairly typical for these bikes, going in and out of side passages and the like. Onto what is the right hand side of the bike. Really good condition up in the front. Plastics, little marks here on the right hand side, as you can see. Front disc is really good, no lipping or anything like that in it. I don't know if you can see those new front fork seals. Plastics on the rear then and underneath the bike, all really nice. A little bit of damage here and here. Tank then is in pretty nice nick as well. A little bit of a chipping there, small scraping on the right hand side here. Frame is in really nice condition, really well polished, came up really nicely. Underside, the sets for the rider itself, and has pillion pegs, which are actually rare to see. A lot of people take them off straight away. Seat then is in near perfect condition, very little minor groove here. No, it hasn't gone through the leather, it looks like. And onto the rear seat, really good condition, and the plugs in the rear here. Rear plastics then, really good condition here, all very nice. 1997 bike. Rear tire is good. There's the new chain and sprocket fitted onto it. Left hand side then, plastics on the rear, really nice. Sorry for I'll try to get the sun onto it here, the shadow. Little bit of marks here, wasn't trying to hide that on you, just the shadow was there. Gianelli Racers Racing full exhaust, a full system, which is around €1,000 worth in itself. Again, left hand side pillion pegs, rider's pegs, side stand only. Left hand side of the tank then is in good condition, if we can focus here. All very good. Little mark here up over the top then of the tank, I should say. All very nice, and only 10,584 kilometers on the clock, not miles, so that's around 6,000 miles. So a little bit of damage here on the left hand side. Fairings, very minor though. We're really picking at it here now at this stage. Up and over, and the alloys are in nice condition as well. But other than that, I mean, it's a really nice looking bike. One of the nicer color schemes with a good sticker decal kit on it. Original fairings as well, they're not aftermarket or from a different bike, they're from this exact bike. So that's it for the visual analysis. We'll now move on to the ride along video.
Okay, check I'm recording, and I am. Okay, so this is the Aprilia RS125, an absolutely stunning looking bike, and if you're in the market for an RS125, this is the one to get. It's had everything done to it. Front fork seals, full engine rebuild, carbs looked at. It's had the power valve recommissioned. It's had the brand new Gianelli exhaust system put on it, which is about 800 to 1,000 euros if you can even get one. All the fairings are original. It's in very good nick for its age. It has, what else has it had done? Everything, the full service done to it. It's pretty much fully recommissioned bike. Really nice sticker set on it for the silver. Really special bike. So we'll get on to it now, and only, I should say, 10,000 kilometers on the clock. Starts up straight away, sounds absolutely perfect. Put her into first gear, and away we go. First thing you'll notice is it's quite big for a 125, so if you are quite a bit taller like myself, it's 6'2", the bike will suit you a bit more than a lot of 125 bikes. And as well as that, the bike is probably pushing out upwards of 35 brake horsepower at the minute with the new exhaust system, and for what this weighs, it's quite amazing. When you were doing a full kind of rebuild and recommission of the bike, the quality that our Aprilia put into these bikes is quite amazing. The front shocks are incredible. the engine, the kind of to squeeze out every last bit of power out of a small displacement engine like this is quite amazing. I mean, it really was just a reason to get these bikes into racing. I can't give it the welly, lads. I know you want to see it hooning down the road at 125 kilometers an hour, or its top speed of 180, but really I am in a residential area, I should say. It's really not possible. You'll see already, because of the noise the bike makes, it attracts a whole lot of attention you don't want to have in around these residential areas. But I can assure you we have had a good run on this. Oh, as well as that, it has 2 brand new tyres on it, so that has that going for it too. I just wanted to rev it there just so you can hear the full power of the engine coming in. Turning circle on this bike won't be too fantastic, but I'm sure we'll get around this here. It really doesn't like going at these kind of lower speeds. It's not built to do this kind of like 30 kilometers an hour job. I think I'm getting the very last of the light here today. It's the last bike to go, so this is the maximum amount of light I'm going to get, I think. It really is unfortunate. I wish we had nearly like if we had an open track here, my goodness, the fun we would have. I'm sure we'd have a few wrecks though as well. We'd really be able to test the bikes for you a lot better than what we can here, but at least you see the bike. We're the only company or motorcycle dealership in the country that show the bike running, starting, stopping, electrics, everything that's gone on with it, a visual analysis. We're the only one in the whole of Ireland that does it. You might get the odd time someone does a video, but they don't even start the bike. They don't even have any commentary over to kind of run you through it or what's going on. You can just feel it itching to get going. We'll turn in left here, put down the side stand, put it into neutral, which is super easy to find, and I'll show you all the electrics. The stand is a bit one of those spring mounted ones, so you do have to be careful that it is down. Ticking over nicely. I'll just show you now indicators. Left indicator at the rear and the front, right indicator at the rear and the front working. Light is there on, that's on and full beam there, working nicely, and the horn as well. So this is absolutely 100% everything there. Jeez, look at that, isn't it? Just a stunning bike. Look at the size of the front disc on it, is just quite incredible. And that's it, the Aprilia RS125. We have done brand new reinforced chain and sprocket. You can see the goal on it there, brand new chain sprocket. This is so much through the bike that to go through. But if you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, comment down below what you think of the RS125, as well as subscribe if you could. We're just about getting a bit of rain here, so the last of what we can do today. But that's been it. Yeah, if you have enjoyed it, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retrobikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, as well as our official website www.retrobikesdublin.com. If you do want to check out the advert of this bike, it is linked in the description down below. The URL is for Done Deal. If you click on that and you don't see the bike available, it is because it is sold and you've been a bit too late. Usually from when the bike goes up on YouTube, usually the bike is sold within about a week. So that's been it for this video. If you have enjoyed it, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe as always. Thank you for watching.